Well, chances are you remember this. Today marks 3 years since late season tornadoes touched down in Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New York. You probably remember there were several that touched down right here in our area. Storm Team 10's Nick Russo is here to talk about the impact. I mean, Nick, seeing the video right there reminds you of all the damage that those caused.
Yeah, Mark was saying he remembers it like yesterday, Chief Meteorologist Mark Searles. And that was the latest since 1950 we've had tornadoes in Rhode Island this late into the year.
Yeah.
And it was pretty remarkable. We had 3 of them to touch down in the Ocean State. One of them moved from Stonington, Connecticut into westerly Rhode Island, an EF1. That was the strongest of these 3 tornadoes. Maximum winds 90 miles per hour, the track just a little more than a mile long. Another tornado, an EF0, touched down in Plainfield, Connecticut, moved into Foster, Rhode Island, and the last one touched down in North Kingstown. Both of those were EF0s with maximum wind at 80 miles per hour. But these were really unusual for this time of the year. In fact, when you look back through history, we've had a lot of tornadoes relative to where we typically see tornadoes as we move back the last 5 years here. Since 2020, there have been 8 tornadoes in Rhode Island. You go back 2000 to 2019, there were only 5. So in 5 years, 4.5 years, we've had 8 tornadoes compared to 5 over the course of 20 years prior to that. So some of that's because potentially of climate change, but also we detect more tornadoes now. Ever since we had dual pole radar installed a while back, we've been able to see more of those tornadoes. Previously, if you had a tornado in the middle of the woods, you may not even know it happened. But now with the dual pole radar, you can see the debris that's kicked up by those tornadoes, and we have better detection of them. It's part of the reason we see more of them now than we did 10, 20 years ago.
Yeah, so new technology just making it easier to spot.
Exactly. Spot them without getting out there and actually seeing it.
Very interesting, Nick. Thank you very much.